In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView on your phone. If you've ever found yourself away from your computer but still wanted to check the markets or analyze some stocks, then this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started by ensuring you have what you need. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the TradingView app on your mobile device. It's a quick and straightforward process, and once the app is installed, you're just a step away from diving into the world of mobile trading. Now that you have the app, open it up. If you're already a TradingView user on your desktop, simply log in with your existing account details. If you're new to TradingView, don't worry. Setting up a new account is simple. Just follow the prompts to create your account and you'll be inside in no time. Once you've successfully logged in or set up your account, you'll find yourself on the app's home screen. From here, you're ready to explore. Tap on any chart to open it up. You'll find that you can search for symbols right at the top of your screen. Simply type in the ticker symbol or the name of the asset you're interested in, and it should pop up right away. Navigating the charts is easy and intuitive on your phone. With a simple tap and pinch, you can zoom in or out and scroll across the chart. This makes it incredibly convenient to analyze and check market data at any time, no matter where you are. Essentially, you can carry your trading desk right in your pocket. Now, let's talk about tools. One of the key features that make TradingView so popular is its array of tools. On your mobile device, you'll find that many of these tools are still accessible. You can draw trend lines to mark critical price levels and patterns, and apply indicators to get deeper market insights. Need an alert for a particular price level? You can set those too, so you'll never miss a critical market move. The app doesn't just stop at basic features. It also extends to advanced trading tools similar to those on the desktop version. You'll have access to watch lists where you can keep track of your favorite stocks or assets. Looking to change the perspective? You can switch between different timeframes effortlessly. And for those who enjoy backtesting, the bar replay feature is also available, allowing you to simulate past market conditions. By utilizing these tools, you'll find that the mobile version of TradingView is a powerful companion to its desktop counterpart. So whether you are on the go or simply prefer the convenience of your mobile device, you now have the skills to use TradingView and keep a pulse on the market, no matter where life takes you.